Hello, folks, and welcome to the 54th Annual Santa Rosa County Annual Farm Tour. I'm John Atkins. I'm the Agriculture Agent for IFAS, Santa Rosa County Extension, and I'm representing the Agricultural Committee today, which consists of 11 organizations and agribusinesses who plan, coordinate, and conduct the annual farm tour. The farm tour is the longest running farm tour of its kind in the state of Florida. Today's stops will consist of peanut harvest, cotton harvest, tree planting demonstration, recognition of the Farm Family of the Year, and also recognition of the Friend of Agriculture. We had to cancel our traditional farm tour due to the COVID pandemic and bring this event to you virtually. The committee would like to extend a thank you to the area producers which allowed us to come on their farm and conduct our filming, and also a special thanks goes out to the Public Information Office of Santa Rosa County for their filming and editing expertise in bringing you this virtual tour.